Okay. Now we will officially start the class since it's 5:30. So we will start working on a keyboard. Chapter number 2. A keyboard is an input device used to enter data and instruction into a computer by pressing various keys on it. It means that the computer is divided into input device, output device, and central processing unit. So today we are going to learn about a very popular input device which is known as keyboard. So what is a keyboard? The definition is a keyboard is an input device used to enter data and instruction into a computer by pressing various keys on it. Now there are various types of keyboard, but the most commonly used keyboard is the QWERTY keyboard. Now the name of the QWERTY keyboard is due to because the keys Q, W, E, R, T, Y are present on the first row of the alphabet key. Such a keyboard is called as QWERTY keyboard. Now there are various keys on the keyboard that are used for various functions. For example, from A to Z, the keys are known as alphabet keys. These keys are denoted with yellow color in your keyboard. If you will see in the diagram, all the yellow colored keys are known as alphabet keys. All the red color keys are known as number keys. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Next is all the blue color keys are known as function keys. They are denoted with F on their beginning. F. Next is cursor control key. Cursor control key is those keys which are used to control, for example, home and page up and page down. Okay. Next is the cursor control key is denoted with purple color. Next, we will see the special keys which are denoted with green color in your diagram. It is known as enter, space bar, tab, shift, backspace, curl, control, delete, and escape. Now we will see each of the keys in a detailed manner. First is alphabet keys. The alphabet keys have the alphabet A to Z printed on them. You can type both capital and small letters using these keys. When you press any alphabet, the corresponding letter appears on the lower case, that is small letter on the monitor. To type letters in uppercase, capital letter, turn the caps lock key on before pressing the alphabet key. So how their alphabet keys are those keys which are denoted with yellow in color. Everybody can see those yellow colors?
Yes.
Keys?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
whenever you press those alphabet keys, two types of letters are printed on the monitor screen. Those are capital letters and small letters. Now, generally when we press any alphabet key, the corresponding letters appear on the monitor in the lowercase form. Now, if you are required to write uppercase, then you have to press caps lock key on before pressing the alphabet key. Everybody is clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next
Yes,
is
ma'am.
number. Next is number key. Yes, Said, what do you want to say?
Number key. Number key.
No, your hand is you are raising your hand. You are raising your hand, Said. What is happening? Okay. Number keys. Number keys are those keys that have digits 0 to 9 printed on them. You can type any number using these keys. The keyboard has two sets of number. One set of number key is presented above the alphabet keys, and the second set of number keys is present on the right side of the keyboard, and it is called as numeric keyboards. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
we will
Yes.
just hold on for a second. Next, we will move to function keys. The function keys marked F1 to F12 are present at the bottom of the keyboard. These keys are used to perform specific tasks in different programs. For example, the F1 key is used to open the help feature in most of the programs. The F12 key is used to save a file in Microsoft Word. So we studied keys on a keyboard, alphabet keys, number keys, and function keys. Now we will play a little game where you have to tell me which key is of alphabet, which key is of number, which key is of function keys. I will ask individually, nobody can answer. If I will ask you, then you will only have to answer. Okay, nobody will speak anything else. Okay, understood?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanshi,
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanshi. Letter A. Letter A is which key?
Alphabet key.
Said, I told you na, nobody will answer, only Priyanshi will answer. Mute yourself, everyone mute yourself. When I call your name, then only you can answer. Okay?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
next, Yashika,
Yes, ma'am.
alphabet L will come under which key? Alphabet L which will come under which key?
नहीं पता, ma'am.
Okay, Ishmit, do you know the answer? Alphabet L which will come under which key?
Alphabet.
Alphabet. यशिका आपको क्लियर नहीं है क्या?
No, no, ma'am.
क्या क्लियर नहीं है एक बात बताइए मुझे. जो भी येलो कलर से जो भी वर्ड्स हैं, जो आपके कीबोर्ड का डायग्राम देख रही हो आप पेज नंबर 14 पे.
अल्फाबेट की में येलो कलर है.
हाँ, तो एल अल्फाबेट है कि नहीं है?
है.
Then what will be the answer? Yashika, what will be the answer?
L अल्फाबेट की.
Very good. Now what was the problem? पहले क्यों नहीं पता चला आपको? ध्यान नहीं दे रही हैं आप क्लास में ना?
दे रही थी मैम, मैं दूसरा पेज में देख रही थी.
Very good. Okay. Please stay focused in the class. I can ask anyone. Okay. Switch off your mic. Switch off your videos and switch off your microphone. Now next. Bhavya? Bhavya?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavya, tell me F7. F7 is which key?
Function.
Function key. Very good. Now this G priest. G priest. What is home key? What is home key? G priest. Priest.
Yes, ma'am.
What is home key?
Home की नहीं पता
Home.
मैडम.
Joy, can you answer? What is home key? Joy. Mayank. Mayank. Mayank Yadav.
Is the
Mayank.
चलो
Mayank. Home key is which key on the keyboard? Home button is which key on the keyboard?
Ma'am, can I answer?
हाँ, go ahead. Mayank. Mayank,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the answer?
7
मैम होम की 7 है.
No, home key is under cursor control key. Home key is under cursor control key. जो पर्पल में दिख रहा है, डायग्राम देख रहे हैं सभी? मयंक, पेज नंबर 14 पे, हाँ पेज नंबर 14 पे डायग्राम देखिए. डायग्राम में पर्पल कलर में जो कीज हैं, पर्पल कलर में जो कीज हैं, दोज आर कर्सर कंट्रोल कीज. ठीक.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. परिधि, परिधि, space bar button is which key? Paridhi.
Ma'am, can I answer?
No. Wait for your turn. Paridhi, are you there in the class? Saeed, do you know the answer? Saeed. Numan. Saeed Numan. Do you know the answer? Saeed. Vani.
Yes, ma'am.
Vani, what is the answer? Space bar is which space bar button comes under which key?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
what?
Space bar button comes under which key? कौन सा की है वो? अल्फाबेट है, नंबर है, फंक्शन है, कर्सर है, स्पेशल कीज है, कौन सा है? स्पेस बार, SAPSPACE स्पेस बार,
कैसर की।
स्पेशल कीज। वेरी गुड वानी, वेरी गुड। विनीता,
यस मैम।
page down button comes under which key? Page down button comes under which key?
कर्सर कंट्रोल की।
Very good beta, very good Vinita, very good. Yashika,
यस मैम।
number 7, sorry, number 9 comes under which key?
नंबर 9
Comes under which key?
कनेक्शन बता रहा है।
हाँ?
यहाँ वाईफाई लगा था, हमारे घर लाइट गोल हो गया है, कनेक्शन नहीं आ रहा है।
यशिका, मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको?
नहीं आ रही है मैम।
Who can answer this question? Saeed, are you there? Saeed, Numan.
बोलो बोलो
मैम आई कैन। नंबर की।
Number key. Very good, Saeed. Number key. Okay, very good. Okay. Now understood everyone?
यस मैम। यस मैम। यस मैम।
Now
Yes,
from
ma'am.
chapter.
Yes,
Okay, okay. So who can tell me what is a computer?
एक कंप्यूटर। कंप्यूटर
Wait,
इज ए
wait, wait.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस।
Yashika, wait. यशिका को क्वेश्चन पूछने पे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है ना?
नाम कर कर
Raise your hand. Raise your hand. There is a raise hand. There is a raise hand button.
कैमरा ऑफ करने बोले क्लास से कुछ होगा आपसे रेस हैंड का
Mute yourself. I will ask you again and again to mute yourself because there is so much background noise. Okay. Now who can answer? Raise your hands. No talking. Raise your hands. Yes. Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead, beta. What is your name? Hi, your video is on. You don't have to raise your hand there. Okay. Okay. Wait. Your name is not coming up, beta.
वर्चस्व
Your name is not coming up in the team's name. Rename your name, huh? Okay, Varchas, go ahead. Tell me what is computer?
Computer is an
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस
electronic device.
Very good. Computer is an electronic device. Okay, fine. Bhavya, tell me what is a computer?
Computer is an electronic device.
Okay, Vani, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you raise your hand. Can you tell me what is a computer?
Yes, ma'am. Computer is electronic device.
मेरा नाम टेस्टेड है, तुम्हारा नाम दिखा रहा है।
Okay, mute yourself, everyone. हाँ, Varchasva, mute yourself. हाँ,
एक मिनट।
Yes, ma'am.
Varchasva, I asked you if you can sit separately because there is lot of background noise coming up from your side. Okay. Now, who can tell me what are the characteristics of a computer? Just the name. Who can tell me what? Ishmit, can you tell me what are the characteristics of computer?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Alphabet
Just
key.
something.
Number key. Number key.
No, I'm talking. I'm on page 3. Page 3. What are the characteristics of computer? Speed, accuracy, tireless working, large memory, multitasking. Ishmael, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, light आ गया.
Yashika, I ask you, don't speak like this. If you want to speak something, raise your hands. Very good, light आ गया तो. Okay, so what are the 3 basic steps of computer working? Right? What are the 3 basic steps of computer? Okay, Bhavya, tell me. Do you know the answer?
What, ma'am? What, ma'am?
What are the 3 basic steps of computer working?
The 3 basic.
Page number 4. Yes, Varchasva, you can tell me. You don't have to raise your hand. अपना हाथ नीचे कर लो बेटा.
कहाँ दीदी एंटर देता बेसिक ऑफ कंप्यूटर है ना.
वही है, सही है, वही है.
इनपुट प्रोसेस आउटपुट.
Very good, Varchasva, very good. Okay, so what is an IPO cycle? Ishmit, wait. Ishmit, what are you doing? Everyone on your videos. सभी वीडियो ऑन करिए अपना अपना. Everyone on your videos. Yes, on your videos. प्रियांशी, हाँ, मयंक, वानी, हाँ, वीडियो ऑन करके हिलाना नहीं है कैमरा को, इधर रख दीजिए फोन को. हाँ, अब मुझे ये बताइए कि व्हाट इज एन आईपीओ साइकिल? विनीता, टेल मी. Vinita, what is the IPO cycle? I cannot hear you. Unmute yourself first. Oh. Ishmit. Ishmit, what is an IPO cycle?
Input process.
हाँ? Input process and output operations is called the IPO cycle. You have to write everything. Okay? इसमें ध्यान दो यहाँ पे, ठीक? Okay. Vani, do you want to say something? आप रेज हैंड कर रहे हो इसलिए मैं पूछ रही हूँ आपसे.
No, ma'am.
हाँ, आपका रेज हैंड का बटन दबा हुआ है, इसको नीचे करो. विनीता, you also. आपका रेज हैंड का बटन दबा हुआ है इसलिए आप लोगों का रेज हैंड दिखा रहा है. हाँ, सईद. सईद. Saeed, are you listening? What is an input? What do you mean by input? आप लोग इतना हिल क्यों रहे हो, मेरे को ये बताओ. यशिका, चुपचाप डेस्क पे बैठो, कहीं पे हिलना नहीं है.
Yes, ma'am.
फोन को नीचे रख दो ना, फोन को नीचे रख दो. फोन को हाथ में क्यों पकड़ी हो? हाँ, फोन को नीचे रख दो. विनीता, यू ऑल्सो. फोन को नीचे रख दीजिए, टेका के. हाँ हाँ, ठीक. वानी, सिट डाउन. Saeed, can you hear me? Mayank? Saeed? आप लोग कुछ भी बोलते हो, पहले अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लो, फिर बोलो. ठीक. हाँ, मयंक, व्हाट इज एन इनपुट?
Input is the data instruction file in input the computer.
वेरी गुड. फेड, उसको फेड बोलते हैं मयंक. फेड इनटू द कंप्यूटर. ओके. तो आज हमने पढ़ा क्या क्या? आज हमने वर्किंग ऑन द कीबोर्ड पढ़ा, आज हमने नंबर कीज पढ़े, और कौन से कीज पढ़े हमने? आज हमने अल्फाबेट कीज पढ़ा, और आज हमने फंक्शन कीज पढ़ा. प्लस हम लोगों ने देखा व्हाट इज कंप्यूटर, व्हाट आर द वेरियस फीचर्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर, व्हाट इज आईपीओ एंड व्हाट इज एन इनपुट. ठीक है? तो
Yes.
This will be all for today. हर वेडनेसडे को अपनी क्लास होगी, तो आप लोग प्रिपेयर रहेंगे. पिछला वाला भी पढ़ेंगे और नेक्स्ट वाला भी पढ़ के रखेंगे. ठीक?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Welcome. Bye. Bye, one.